Hello, I've got for you today this C86 Rapido motorhome. It's €80,000, 7 meters long. I think it's quite an interesting vehicle. 217 centimeters in width, only 275 centimeters overall height. There you are, €80,000. And let's have a look inside. Now, right, so you've got a face-to-face layout up here at front with additional seats, being forward-facing seats being provided for. We've got here a kitchen with 2 burners and a sink with storage below. At the back we've got a bed which can be raised if you want it to be raised. We've got storage wardrobes on either side, plus storage above the bed. There is a skylight above. Note also that there are windows on either side. Here we've got a solid door closure like this, and on the other side, shower unit, large shower unit with a one drainage point, but it's a good one with a built-in filter. I'm really keen on the filters. Anybody who's actually lived in a van will know the reasons why. And there we have the washroom as well, also with a skylight. Note also that the door here will close. On coming through here, we have a tower fridge here. We have storage above the fridge, and if you have those that want an oven, I would suggest they put it in there, if it's possible, of course, because that I haven't seen the gas layout in the vehicle. Storage at the front as well, and note that wonderful large panoramic roof, and that's allows quite a lot of light. The only light actually coming at the moment is from outside. I couldn't turn on the 12 volt because it's not connected. There you go, see, not connected. There we have the heating. You of course would have it connected if you're actually using it. There's a space for your television, and door with 2 locking points, something to hold magazines or whatever, bits of paper or whatever, and a window. I do like a window in the door. Also like someone to hang your coat on the door as well, but that's just me. We'll have a quick look in here in the garage, if we can open it. And you can see here, so here we have the bed which will go up and down, and large amount of storage there. The button for moving the bed up and down is here, so if I press this, you see the bed goes up like that. The button is in here because if it was inside the vehicle, you do run the risk of squashing something. Note also we've got the electrics of the other side, including fuses probably. So that is the C86 from Rapido, and I'd have to say it was competitively priced. And here we've got a new Fiat logo which has got a Peugeot on it. There you go. No, it's also available on Fiat as well as Peugeot. So that's you see that with a number of vehicles these days, owing to supply difficulties with Fiat. As far as I'm concerned, I don't think there's all that much difference. I mean, there's difference in driving them, yes, but people complain about quality. I know somebody now in the comment section complain about Peugeot or Fiat, but in my experience, there really isn't all that much as far as the quality is. There is a difference in driving these different chassis, but not in the quality, I think. Anyway, thanks for watching. All the best from me, and bye for now.